Today I'm going to show you how to make the background of your logo transparent, or how to make a logo that you make in Canva with a transparent background, whether you have a free account or a pro account. I'm going to show you two different ways. Hi there, my name is Sue. Welcome to my channel. I show people how to do stuff online, and today I'm going to show you how to make the background of your logo transparent. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways depending on whether you have a free account or a pro account with Canva. So if you have a pro account, it's really simple. If you have an existing logo, you can upload it and make the background transparent, or if you don't have an existing logo, you can create one in Canva and then make the background transparent. I'll show you both ways of doing that. But if you have a free account and you don't want to pay for a pro account with Canva at this stage, I'm going to show you another way to actually make the background of your logo transparent. So if you don't already have an account with Canva, you're going to have to create one. So go to canva.com and set yourself up with an account. If you do have an account, then log in and get yourself to the home screen, and you'll see something like this. Now, if you have an existing logo, this is just going to be really quick and easy to show you how to do this. If you have an existing logo and a pro account, this is super duper easy. From the home screen, if you click over here on the right hand side and click on upload, and then you can go and find your existing logo file. All right, so I'm just going to grab this one here, and then when that uploads, you don't want to click on these two buttons here. You want to go down here and click on Edit Image. So you can do this in a pro account, or if you have a trial account where you're trialing the pro features in Canva, you'll be able to do this as well. So once that actually comes up here, so I've got my logo here with this orange background, as you can see. Over here on the left hand side, you will see effects. So if you click on effects, if it's not already on that tab, and this very first button underneath Magic Studio is the background remover. So just click on that and it's going to work its magic and remove the background from your file. There we go, all done. So then from there, all you do is you click on save, and you can download that logo file to your computer, or you can save it to Canva for future use. Okay, so that's easy enough done. Now, if you don't already have a logo file and you want to create one, I'm going to show you the basics of how to do that. So I'm just going to discard that because I don't want to save that to my computer. All right, so we're back here on the home screen. So if you want to create a logo for your business, the way that I find it easiest here in Canva is just to search for the templates that I'm looking for. So if you just search on logo in this search box on the home screen, there are other ways to find these, but I just find this the easiest. You'll get these templates will come up, okay? So as you can see, there's 20,000 templates in here. So there's bound to be one that's going to suit you. So you can click on that button on the side. As you'll see, you can scroll through and there's loads and loads of different styles of templates. Now, if you're looking for something specific, I mean, if you're, say you're a flower shop and you want a logo that's going to be suitable for your flower shop, if you just search for logo and flower and hit enter, you will get logos with flowers that may be suitable for your business. Okay, so as you can see, we've got templates coming up with lots of different flowers and floral kind of themes. If you had a pet shop and you were wanting to do that, you could search for logo and pets or animals, and it will bring logo designs up with pets or animals. You could search for logo dogs, just depending on what you're wanting. So as you can see, you've got lots of little logos there that are kind of more suited to somebody with a pet shop or some kind of business that revolves around dogs and cats. So today I'm going to just delete that, and I'm just going to search logo again, and I'll go and find something that we can do something with, so that I can show you just really quickly the basics of how to do this. Alright, so I am going to, what do I want to do? I might go and choose this one, and I might do something just quickly for my name. So this is a logo that somebody's been using for their business, is obviously their name, and so I'll just do something quickly with this one and show you the basics of how you can do this. So as you can see, you've got a couple of big letters here and then somebody's name. So if I wanted to change the font, I can do so by just dropping this down. And choosing a font, you've got different types of fonts, different styles, so handwriting, corporate, display. So you can use those to filter it out, or you can just scroll down. If you know what font you want, you can start typing the name in here. I'm actually going to leave the font as it is, and I'm just going to change this to suit me. So I'm going to go S and W, and so the W here is bigger than that one, so I'm going to actually make that the same size. What size is the S? So make that 122, so it's the same size. Now I'm going to get rid of this scroll, and I want to put something else that's similar in there but not quite the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to elements over on the left hand side, and I might put in line scroll, or decorative line maybe. It's fairly intuitive, so depending on what you're searching for. Okay, so yeah, so in graphics here, so in this elements you've got quite a few different categories. You've got graphics and photos and videos and shapes, audio, frames, there's a whole bunch of stuff. So if I click on see all in graphics, that's going to show me some different kind of lines there. So I might choose this one, and you can see it's a grey colour currently, and so I want to change that and make that black. So you just click on the little circle up here for colour, and I can change that to make it black. And then if I was to change the name here, and let me put a few more spaces, oops, too many in there, just so that I can get those so they're round about in the middle of the letters, maybe one more space. If you're wanting to move things just slightly and they're kind of getting stuck, then you can just use your arrow keys to move things up and down or across just a little bit to get them to kind of nudge a little bit, like so. And so there I have my logo. Fairly happy with that, although I just see where I've got this little curve sticking out here. I don't quite like that, so I can't pick up that scroll because the S and the W are sitting in the front. So to change that, if I click on the W and just go to position, and then I can move that backward, and then I should be able to, oh, it's not doing it yet. So if I go backward, click it a couple of times, yep, until it stops, and then if I go here, then I can move that. So if I use my keyboard, I can just nudge that across to get rid of that little tail. That's better. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And if I wanted to change my background color, so it says this peachy pinky color, which I don't really like, I can go as long as I click here and this is the background is then highlighted, so you'll see the blue around the edge. I can click on the background color and I can go and make that whatever color I want. So if I want it to be grey, if I want it to be white, I can do that. So I might leave that at white, and then I want to download that. Now if I was playing with that and I wasn't quite sure whether I like that version, and I want to change another one, make another version to experiment with, the easiest way to do that is to just duplicate this page. So if you click up here and just duplicate the page, It'll give me another version where I can, if I want to make the background color a different color, say, and then I'm like, okay, so do I want that one white? Do I want it grey? I might make another version, and then I can, I'm not sure if I want this a little bit lower, this W, so maybe I might put that down a bit, and then move that down, and then move that one down. And do I like that better? So you've got different versions there that you can kind of make some changes and decide which one you like the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download this. So if I go share and download, now you'll see, because I have a pro account, that I have the option to download this with a transparent background. But if you're using the free version, you won't have that option. Alright, so I'm just going to download these with their backgrounds intact, and then I will show you a really quick and easy way to make these transparent. So because there's 3 copies of this, it's going to pop it into a zip file. If there was only just that one page, it would just download that document as it is. So I'm going to go and unzip that. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my 3 files that have just been downloaded that I've just unzipped. To make the background transparent on one of these, so whichever one I decide that I like best, I actually like this number 3 the best, I can go to another website to make that transparent, and it's super quick and super easy. You don't need an account, you don't need to log in. Okay, so if you only have the free version of Canva and you're wanting to remove the background from your logo and make it transparent, this is the quickest and easiest way that I have found to do it, and it takes seconds basically. So if you go to this website, remove.bg, and you'll see here you can upload an image. You don't need to log in or sign up or anything else. You can just go and find your logo image, and once it uploads, it's going to work its magic, remove the background, really super quick and easy, just like that. And then you can download your transparent logo to your website, to your computer. So yeah, it's as quick and easy as that. So I hope that's helpful for those, especially those who only have a free Canva account and have been trying to work out how to make their logo background transparent. If you have any comments or any questions about this, pop those below and I will get to those as soon as I can. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. That really helps my channel to grow. I thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you again another day. Goodbye for now.